Me voy a matar, este es mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy.
Hey guys, how are you all and welcome to our 006. Before starting this series, I have to say something to all of you. So this is our first time that we explain this series in English. So I know we will make lots of mistakes. So please forgive me as thing as your younger brother. In starting of the episode, there is a girl who say, I like you. I don't know why, but she said. And then she started doing unexpected things like she's undressing herself. Now our main character said, wow, she's taking off her clothes, and this is our first time that she has told to me she likes me. Wow, we are going to do now notification is appear. There is a three option like let's be our friends first and sleep with me, and then our main character said I will do this thing. I mean choose, and suddenly we can see that his door is ringing, and then he realized, oh shit, I was about to do this good stuff. Aha, shit, I have to go there. And then there is a delivery boy who said, oh, you are Lan. Take it, this is your parcel. And he is very rude. And then our main character take it and speaking very loudly, hey, what's your attitude? I will make a complaint about you. But delivery guy did not pay attention to him and went out. Then our main character teared the parcel and started very happy. Ah wow, this is heaven. Yay, finally I got it. Now we can see that there is a VX, oh I mean VR. There is a title Pure White. And then he starting doing like this. I am in heaven. Wow, amazing. Finally I got you baby. He opens this stuff and say, I can't wait to check out. Now I can play. Wow, hey cuties, I am coming to you. Now shift the scene and game is about to start and he teleport to Pure White School and he found himself that he is not a boy. Actually he is about to see like he changed into a girl. Huh? Wait a second. I am here to pick up a girl. Why did I turn into a girl? Why? Now he started to observe himself. This is my body? Oh, really? Then there is a boy, like there is a, I don't know what we call this, but there is a boy which is appear. Hello master, welcome to the world of pure white Lily Princess. See his faces, like it is about our finger. He said, I am Game Elf. You can call me Ding Ding. And our main character said, what? Game Elf? And what are you speaking? You are very digesting, bro. Now the finger man is said, you are the first player who entered this game. So system has a big gift for you. And now the finger man said like this. And our main character said, what? I have bad feeling. The gift is not you, is it? Oh, well. The finger said, no, I am not a gift. As you can see, the gift is turning into a cute girl. So you are a gift. Now the finger man said like this. And our main character said, what? What are you talking about? I am a gift? Oh, wait a minute. Since I am a girl, now I can do anything. Literally, I can pick up any girl. Wow, I can do anything. Now our main character thought is very dirty, literally. And he said, what are you waiting for? Let's start the game. And then Ding Ding said, yes, master, let's start it. Before starting the game, you have to select a scenario. Please select a scenario. And our main character see there is a four scenario and he has to select anyone. And then he select beautiful love story of campus and then started teleport and then saved the scene and ringing a bell. Ding 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 ding. And then our main character come into a school and he thought, wow, I haven't been in a school for since like that time, and I really it is really nice game. There is lots of girl, very pretty, wow, very nice. So girls, be ready. I am coming to you. Ha 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 ha. And then suddenly he saw something and thought, before something I need to do first thing. There is a changing dress room like where girls can change her dresses. Now he started of thinking that he is C and he can go anywhere. Now he feel very happy just because of he can go into this room like dressing rooms. Let's see what will happen when he reach it out. Now he opened the door and realized, wow, he is shocked, very shocked, literally shocked, and he couldn't blink his eyes just because of there is lots of girls who undress herself, and literally this is heaven for him and to all of you as well. And he start off thinking like that, sexy, wow, naked body, locker room, cutie girls, wow, lots of panties. When the girls saw him, and they all are shocked just because of he changed into a him, like he is before he is she, now he is he, and they all are said, hey pervert, go out, go to the hell, and throwing their undergarments, and all are said, jerk, go to the hell. And now our main character feel something unexpected, like he thought, hey wait, why my body is hurting. Now suddenly he realized he is about changed, like he is now a boy. And then when he realized he is about a boy, now he feel very same. Oh shit, why I am here? Now there is a two security guard as well. They all are coming also, and they all said, calm down girls, we are coming here. Hey you, come with us. Hey, wait. Now our main character realized, oh shit, I am a boy and this is a crime. Why I am here? I need to run away. Shit, Bago! And he started off running. Now shift the scene and he is in man washroom and start thanks to himself, thank god I am safe now, and start to asking himself, why I am a boy, what is going on, I just become to enjoy it, but I turn into a boy, why, hey ding ding, come here, tell me what is going on here. And he started off calling, ding ding, ding ding, where are you ding ding. He is speaking very loudly, bastard, where are you. He abused a lot to Ding Ding. Now he feel very wet, like wet. Oh shit, my body. I almost wet my underwear just now. I need to take it out. Literally, he take his out and start off doing like this. Oh, I will see what I can do. And there is a boy as well who comes into a man washroom. And when he saw, oh my god, there is a girl who doing unexpected thing like something else, and he started off thinking, oh shit, I'm sorry, I got in the wrong place, sorry, I need to check it out. And when he came out and realized that, oh, I didn't get in the wrong place, I think she was in the wrong place. Oh my god, what is going on here. Now he realized he is not a wrong place, but she is. Our main character is holding his dash, but where is my dash? Where it is? Now he realized he is not a boy now because he is a she. He changed into a girl and he thought, oh my god, I am a girl now. Shit, what I am doing here? Because there is a guy who is staring at me. Oh my god. And the boy, his nose is bleeding. And our main character thought, oh shit, I need to calm down. Otherwise, he will think that I am pervert. Hey, hi there. This is your first time, I think. You have seen a girl in the man's room, right? So this is our secret. Okay, this is secret between us. So don't tell anyone, okay? Otherwise. And the guy say, okay. And our main character also say, okay, it is deal. See you again. And scene shifted, now he think, oh shit, I almost gave myself him. Oh my god, what I did. Wait a minute, I become a girl again before I could figure out how I become a guy. Ding ding, where are you? You are messing with me, right? I need to find out. Ding ding. Ding ding, where are you? Now Ding ding is also up here and he said, oh, take it easy, bro, take it easy. Oh, finally I got you, Ding ding. Tell me, what is going on here? Okay, I will tell you whatever you say. First of all, you need to calm down, okay? Otherwise, you will get a wrinkle. Now, Ding Ding is also flirting with her. Now, our main character say, hey, just shut up and tell me what is going on here. Now Ding Ding said this game is very popular before launching and there is lots of people who coming forward for who looking forward to this game. That's why our creator has launched this game before scheduling time. Or maybe it can possible that the game has come with a bug. Oh, you mean I turn into a guy or girl just because of bug? Yeah, trust me master, it is just a bug. You will turn into a man especially when you get excited. And now you have to think how will you maintain yourself, okay? You don't have to be very excited. Now our main character thinking, what? In that case, how I am supposed to pick up a girl? Oh shit. But Ding Ding is interrupt. Now our main character say, hey, is there anything else? Or there is more thing? Ding Ding said, no, you can't quit this game until you complete all the missions. What? You mean I have to complete all the mission for quitting this game? Oh shit, no, no way. Explain to me, what does it mean? Please explain to me. Hey, it is hurting. Please stop, I will tell you. Ding Ding said, listen to me. First of all, for completing all the mission, you need to increase your variability and rating of 5 potential love interest to 100%. What? What is 5? What is 5? Now our main character didn't understand. I couldn't understand what should I do. It is very challenging for me. Even if I have to go back, but I can't go. Shit, what I have to do. Now Ding Ding said, don't be upset, master. Being happy. It doesn't matter whatever in your life is going on. Matter is you have to be being happy, okay? Now our main character thinking, oh god, are you kidding me? Okay, I will try. I will do my best or I will complete this game. Okay? Now our main character is going to his classroom and Ding Ding is thinking, wow, good. I have faith in you, young man. And Ding Ding is also clapping. Now scene shift and we can see there is a 10th class and 10th grade. And our main character is also there. Our main character observe a girl and her name is Siasu and her body is very nice as our main character thought and he said she is very sweet and straight person. Now he has to come forward and talk with her. Now our main character come forward and say hi. Oh shit, I don't know what to say. It's very weird. This girl also say, hey, are you Lan? Let's go. Now they are going to somewhere. Main character said, what? Where are we going? Oh, don't you know? We are going to stadium. We have a swimming classes. What? Yes, we have a swimming classes. Our main character started, hey Lan, listen to me. I can't swim. I want you to be there when I learn to swim, okay? And our main character thought, oh my god. This girl say, let's go to the locker room. But our main character thought, locker room, it means I can do. She's so cute. Oh my god. I feel very hot. Okay, hey, what are you doing? Let's go. Our main character is not responding anything. And he say, yes, I am coming. Now our main character is asking questions. Will all the girls in our class be there? Yeah. Oh, and all of them will wear swimming suit? Yes, of course. Why are you asking? Don't you know? Now scene shift and we can see there is a girl who is in a swimming suit and there is another one who is very shy, literally shy, and there is small packet as well who is winking with her eyes and there is another girl as well which is very how can I say like sexy. Main character said, wow, this is heaven. Hey, 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 hey. Now his system is activated and now he turned into a boy. And the girl is said, hey, who are you? And she noticed his system and say, hey, who are you? And why are you there? Now our main character is also realized, oh my god, not again. Shit. Now scene is shift. Now our main character is very depressed. Very depressed. Oh my god. What I can do? There is so many pretty girl at school, but I just can't get happy. Now Ding Ding is appear. Don't lose your heart, master. The nice campus life has just got started. Don't worry. Hey, swimming class is over and I was not there. It is not nice. I need calm down first. They all are coming. Now they all are coming from the swimming classes. Now that girl is asking a question. Hey Lan, you promised me to go swimming classes with me. Why were you not there? I was missing to you so much. Hey, I was waiting for you. Why are you not there? Now she is asking question to her. And our main character is saying, oh my god, I am losing it. Shit, I can't look at her just because of she is very pretty. Now that girl is coming and asking questions. Hey, what happened with you? Now our main character says she is getting closer to me. Hey, I can't breathe. I think I am going to suffocate. Oh, I see. Oh no, shall I get you to the infirmary? Oh my god, she is very beautiful. I was very excited. No, 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 no. She is looking at me. No, no, no need. I just need some air. Now scene shift. All can see there is evening time. Students are now leaving. One of the classmates says, hey, are you sure you don't want me to take you home? I am going home then. Now our main character say, okay, see you. Bye bye, tata. Okay, see you tomorrow. Now our main character is very depressed. Really, very depressed. What a relief. Siasu is incredible. She made me excited without pretending. Now we all can see. Our main character observes Siasu today. Now this episode is about to end and first of all please forgive us just because of I know very well our explanation is not good that much. So don't worry, we are improving day by day. So I hope so we will improve that much so that you all can enjoy very well. Okay, don't worry. Bye bye. Take care. We will come back again. Don't worry guys.
Enemies ahead! Let's go!